Hello and welcome to Just the Chords. Today we'll be looking at Beautiful Things by Benson Boone. Just the first part on this video. It's going to be a two-part video, heads up. So here's the intro and verse 1 for this part 1 video. Let's look at the chords and then the pattern they go into. We're going to start on an E-flat major chord, E-flat, G, B-flat. Practice putting that root in the left hand. The name of the chord, E-flat, just a single note. There's our E-flat major. We move it right along to a B-flat major, B-flat, D, F, B-flat major, B-flat, D, F, with a root. That's our second chord of the song. It goes on to an F major, F, A, C, F major, F, A, C, all white keys. And then the fourth chord of this intro and first verse is the G minor chord, G minor, G, B-flat, D, G, B-flat, D. The root in the left hand. Very nice. Let's go over this first pattern. In the intro, we get this E-flat, B-flat, F, 2, 3, 4, E-flat, B-flat, F, G minor. It repeats first pattern, just the F for 4 beats, then the E-flat chord, B-flat chord, F chord to G minor, E-flat, B-flat, then that F for 4. It's alternating, right? E-flat, B-flat, F, raise it up to G minor. What just happened right there? When we hit this little part of the song, we need to walk up. So we do that F, walk these up from this F to the next chord, G minor. We're gonna play that half step, the F sharp or G flat in between. Yeah, we walk it up. F, G flat, G. Nice. We go back to our pattern. Then this one restarts, but it has a walk down. A walk down rather than a walk up. So from that G minor, we walk it down to our F and down to our E flat. Whole step chords going down there. Very nice. And then they throw in this one strange penultimate chord, a C minor, C, E flat, G, 2, 3, 4 to F, 2, 3, 4. Boom, 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 boom. Next part of the song starts in a different meter. That'll be on the second video. Please check that out to get the whole song tutorial. All right, I'd give you my usual spiel here, but please go on to part 2. You're only halfway done. I'll see you there. Play on.